What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Nikaya, obviously. Today, you guys, I have my best friend Curtis with me. We're at My Pizza today, you guys. We had to get a pizza today. It is spring break. We had to get a pizza. I am really like tore up right now. I can't even lie to y'all right now. This is Curtis, you guys. This is my best friend. I love him so much. Welcome. This is Curtis. Y'all say hey to Curtis. Tap in. This is my best friend Curtis. Be nice or I'll kill you, okay? Welcome my bougies. Welcome my bloodbaths, because this is where the bloodbaths comes from, right here, you guys. This is where my bloodbaths come from, you guys. If you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay? You will love it here, like I always say. You will love it here, okay? You guys, we have pizza.
Well, let me show them out first.
Look at this. Look at that. Do y'all see that? I don't know if y'all pizza be boring, but my pizza is never boring, okay? Ever, okay? I got a little lemonade, sweet tea, what is
Strawberry,
blackberry tea. It's all up in there, y'all. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. We just gonna call this our bougie tea, okay? Okay. I also got a salad for my roughage.
And I'm gonna taste some of the salad.
You gotta talk loud. I don't even know if they can hear you for real. It's a little bit loud up in here.
It is a little loud.
But y'all,
Look, I bring an extra fork and everything to taste your salad.
you bought a what?
An extra fork to taste your salad.
You bought an extra fork to taste whose salad? No, you can't have none of my salad. Hold on, let me taste my salad because
I'm gonna taste some too.
he think he's gonna taste some of my salad. He's not. Hold on. Wait, how I get it
I got
open?
the fork right here ready. Alright, let's start. I'm gonna do my food.
How do I open it? No, I broke my nail. Do y'all see that? Don't judge me because I broke that nail. It's supposed to look like these, but that thing look bad. Don't judge me. If you judge me, that's strike one. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. I can't get it open.
If I open it, it'll taste.
No, you can't. Never mind. Never mind, because he can't have none, y'all. I'm not playing with him. Okay, I got it.
Some of this pizza. I will tell y'all what I got on mine, but I got some of everything on mine. So it's gonna take a long time to tell y'all what I got. But I got. You see the peppers right there. You got some tomato on there. You got some salt and pepper, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, all that, and it's good. We don't have one in Tallahassee, so when I come down here, I always try to get some Mom's pizza.
Y'all, this is my little side salad. I got mozzarella, spring and romaine lettuce with some onions, some cucumbers, cheese, chicken, bacon. Y'all, we did it up. It's got some tomatoes up in there. This the mini, y'all. This the little mini. Hold on. That was almost a strike for y'all. I'm not even kidding. Oh, it's got the Caesar dressing on y'all. It's the Caesar dressing.
Just a little bite.
Huh, what? No.
Just a little bite.
No.
Y'all got some. You got legs all on the damn table now. That's good, y'all. You put vinegar in that?
Oh my God.
You put vinegar in it?
That's some pickle.
I don't pickle pig feet. She got pig feet up here.
And a pig feet in there. And a pig feet in there, y'all.
It's pig feet, man.
It's pickled onions.
It look like pig feet to me.
Ooh. Well, guess what? Where I'm from, we eat pig feet.
I don't eat no pig feet.
Where he from, they eat pig feet. Don't play with him.
I don't eat it though.
He lying. They sell it at the corner store where I'm from, y'all. Okay? It be red.
This piece is good. So we just left South Beach.
Y'all, we just left South Beach. I'm really messed up real bad. Y'all get a bite of that. I'll get the first bite as always.
We drinking that all on the thing. Well, I'll tell you.
That's strike one.
Let's strike two. You
That's
didn't
strike one, y'all. I'm trying to shit. Strike one. That is strike one. No. Y'all. Hold on. Oh my God.
Oh. You took too big of a bite.
Oh my God. So everything is on a pizza, y'all. Everything.
But back to South Beach. We just left South Beach. When I tell y'all it was packed out there, people everywhere. I know it's spring break down here in Miami, so it's gonna be people from Florida, Georgia, Texas, up north, everywhere. And it was busy. Nikhil had a big drink. I told her I get no drink that big. What you had? What kind of drink you had?
I had tequila sunrise, y'all.
And I had a hurricane. And I ain't drink all mine because I know I gotta drive back to Tallahassee tonight. So I ain't want to be, you know, drunk on the road or fall asleep at the wheel. But Nikhil,
I was trying to influence him, y'all. I'm like, just drink it.
bad influence. Last time I came here, bad experience. Last time I came here, she got me drunk the day
Y'all,
before.
he threw up everyone.
Got me drunk the day before I was supposed to leave. Had to call out of work the next day. It was bad.
He's lying. It wasn't that bad.
It was
It
bad.
was not that bad. He
And then after I got drunk and threw up, went back to sleep, got up, she told me, all right, let's go out for another drink. Had me drinking again. No.
Lies.
But today wasn't good. She wasn't going to do that to me today. She was not going to do that to me today.
Lies. No, that's a lie because y'all know I don't drink.
You just told her that you was under the influence. So now you know who
Lies,
tells the
I
lie.
don't
Now you know who tells the lies. Hey, let me get that. I got 5 people.
I mean, you got, oh. Dang, you got 5 people.
Y'all should try Mod's Pizza though. If y'all have a Mod in y'all city, M-O-D, is it M-O-D-S? It's a Mod or the Mod, is it the S?
Mod Pizza, y'all.
Yeah.
Mod Pizza, y'all make sure y'all go try Mod Pizza.
Mod
if
Pizza
it is
is
local
good.
in y'all town, you get
It's
everything
good.
you want on this pizza for $8, y'all.
Yeah.
$8.
And I wish they had one in Tallahassee, but they don't. I'm a franchise there. I'm a manifest there. I'm a franchise there. I'm putting in Tallahassee. In Jesus' name, amen.
The Lord ain't gonna give it to him.
The Lord always give me
The
what
Lord
I
ain't
want.
gonna give it to him.
The Lord always give me what I want. Let me try some more of this pizza. I'm trying to save something when I get home because I don't want to eat it all.
Y'all, it's
You know
so
how you
good.
something so good that you want to try to save something for later, but then it's so good you keep eating it. That's
You
how
eat
it
it, you eat it on the way home.
is. I'll be eating it on the interstate, on 75. I said I'm gonna eat one for 75 and eat one for out 10. Then when I get home,
Ain't never left.
ain't nothing left. When I ate the whole pizza.
I'm here about that. I know.
So good. Good, ain't it? It's good.
Yours, you got barbecue sauce on yours. You got some barbecue sauce. Y'all, mine got onions, tomatoes, garlic, pesto, ranch, mozzarella bacon,
Pig feet.
chicken, no pig feet, pepperoni, Parmesan, y'all. This is the thing. I ain't even gonna hold you.
They ain't even holding.
And that's how Mary had a little lamb, y'all. Okay? I'm really, really messed up right now, like. I don't know how I made it to this place. I'm like really, really drunk right now, y'all. I'm serious. Like, y'all think I'm playing with you? I'm not playing with you.
When she gets drunk, she starts talking a lot like this. All that talking.
They say I be talking a lot anyways, for real. One
But
actually,
it's even-
somebody was like, you should talk less and just eat more. Just don't say nothing at all. I was like,
Y'all think that's bad. She talked even more when she drunk. She called me one night. Talk to me, ain't done, stop, drunk. You really called me that night?
No, I remember that.
Yeah,
I
called me
remember
like,
that.
just
No,
talking.
no.
Yeah, Curtis says,
No,
yeah, this
I
one,
remember
yeah,
that.
yeah. I'm dozing. I said, yeah, Care, yeah, I hear you, Ain't hear nothing, she said. Ain't hear nothing.
who's lying? Y'all get a bite of that.
You dropping stuff?
That's strike two. Y'all, why? Hold on. Y'all think it's a game. Y'all messing up bacon and chicken. No, it's from the company.
These sweet peppers right here.
I hope he dropped it.
It's good. And see, I ain't gonna drop my food. One thing about it, I ain't gonna drop my food. These sweet peppers right here is good. I got the sweet ones and I got the spicy ones. Somebody called their mama.
Somebody slap your mama. Well, this right here? Oh my God.
Don't stop your mama.
Got the dog stew out of your mama.
Do not call your mama. Just call and tell her how good mom's pizza is.
Got the dog stew out of your mama right now.
Don't slap her. Do not try that at home.
Well, let me take off my shades for y'all because y'all. Wow, you guys. This is really it right now.
It is good.
Y'all get a good.
See, I'm trying to say this a little bit. I'm gonna take one more. No, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How did you
I don't know how many pieces I done ate. It's so good. Hold on.
Oh my God,
I think we'll take one more. I should take one for the road. Should I take one for the road? Should I take one for the road?
y'all comment down below if you had my pizza before. Comment down below.
You put it's like kind of like a Subway but pizza. You just fix everything you want on there.
Anything you want on this pizza, y'all. It gets on there, y'all.
My brother and his girlfriend, they love it too. I got them. Well, Nakia got me on there.
I got them on all this pizza, y'all.
And then I told them about it. How'd you find out about Miles?
I wonder one day. I'm like, wait a minute. $8.
You didn't try the pizza like,
I went, oh my God.
oh, that's what I was saying. Every time you say good. I'm like, oh my God. Oh my God. Lord Jesus.
Y'all.
The Lord never gave me no taste buds.
No. Y'all, so we went out to South Beach, y'all. I'm really drunk right now, okay. We went out to South Beach. And while somebody had tried to leave the little outside restaurant we was at,
Tried to run off.
without paying, y'all. They tried to take off on the plug twice. Like, y'all, they really trying to take off. Like, and while the waiters, not the police, the waiters bombarded them. They bombarded them, y'all.
The waiters, about both guys that waiters at the restaurant, done chased them down, grabbed them by the bag, and done took this guy, a big guy that ran too, done take him and run him, take him back in the restaurant. Someone's like, nah, you can run off with the money all you want to, but when you push one of us, it goes down. I said, I know that's right.
Couldn't even believe it.
I got some sausage on here too. I forgot I put sausage on there. Oh, the sausage is good.
Oh, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all. I want to juicy crab. I was going to do a live stream at Juicy Crab, y'all. It is not hitting like hitting real, y'all. I'm not even playing with you. No. Y'all get some of that drink. We're just gonna call this bougie tea, okay? It's lemonade, blackberry tea, and what's up?
Sweet tea.
And sweet tea. This is bougie tea, y'all.
Oh, I'm done.
Oh my God. But y'all, I went to Juicy Crab, y'all, to try it out because you know I told y'all I was gonna be venturing out to other places or whatever. So I tried Juicy Crab because my friend wanted to go. I was dreading it the whole time, and I went, and it was good, but the service was awful. First of all, we didn't get anything we asked for. Nothing. Like nothing we got. We didn't get anything we asked for. Asked for a little, excuse me. I asked for some crab with some sausage. No, with crab with some mussels and some eggs. Missing all the eggs.
Did you eat the eggs? No, they're still in my bag.
I ate 2 of the eggs.
And they still in my bag. I thought you could have it.
And you ate 2 of your eggs, so I'm eating
I ate
2.
1.5. So I still got a half an egg up in that plus a whole one. Show me that up when I get over there.
No, I'm eating. The sauce was good, y'all. I ain't lying, the sauce was good.
The sausage was good. The corn was a little bit overcooked.
It The crab was really overcooked.
It was overcooked, but it was all
It
right.
was like soft, really like soft.
Yeah, it was. There wasn't no crunch to it.
No crunch though.
But it was all right. I ain't gonna say it
The
was
mussels
nasty.
was not big. Y'all know how they have them tongue mussels? No. The mussels was good, but it was not big. The sauces, I'm gonna say like a little bit saltier than hook and reel. It was good, but
It wasn't a bomb. Let's say that.
it wasn't a bomb. I still prefer.
I ain't had hook and reel, so she talking so high I might get hook and
Y'all,
reel, but I might get
y'all
the hook and reel, I might not like it.
Y'all,
Or they
I'm
might
not-
disappoint.
No.
Just like juicy crab. Juicy crab usually be good, but today it just every day some restaurants have their own and off days. You know, she's praising hook and reel, but hook and reel might be nasty when I go there.
Y'all,
They might give me
every
some
time
bad
you eat hook and reel,
service.
it's good. And don't stop.
I said it might, and it might be. I ain't never had no bad experience with juicy crab. I've been twice. This is my third time being there. But and then it so happened to
Don't
have a
listen
bad
to him
day.
because he don't like seafood.
I don't like crabs.
He don't like crab.
I don't like crabs.
It was his first time trying mussels,
My first time trying mussels. It was good.
and he only had shrimp. He had shrimp and sausage. That's all he wanted, shrimp and sausage.
I had shrimp,
He
sausage,
cannot be
egg.
trusted.
Yeah, I don't do no seafood like that.
So he can't be trusted. Okay?
I can't.
So like I said, we still messing with hook and reel, y'all. Like, period. Mary had a little lamb. Okay? Y'all get some more of that.
Put it mine. I'm trying to say the rest of this pizza.
Dang.
I'm trying to say the rest of this pizza. Yeah. I'm trying to eat all this pizza. So I got like a half a pizza left.
Put some salad. Of course.
I do.
No, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Hold up. I'm gonna close this up. Close this up. I'm gonna take this on the road with me. You have a lot. Them big clumps on there, them big clumps that's right there at the top. Is that garlic? It's like a whole garlic.
This
They ain't
is,
got it like crushed
no,
garlic.
this is like jalapeno, garlic,
That's what I'm talking about. Why the
cucumber,
garlic's so big?
tomatoes. It's got the red stuff is pickled ginger, no, pickled onions.
Big.
The green stuff is pesto. Y'all, we is living life in Italy with this pizza. But we in Miami though. We in Miami, okay? And on the thin crust.
That's strike 3.
Y'all, that's strike 3. That, oh my God. Oh!
Alright. So I'm talking about the garlic. Why is it so big?
Because it's whole garlic.
Okay, hold on. I think it would have been good up in there.
Y'all, stop doing that to me. I'm not playing with y'all.
Y'all watching, so you know
You
people
know, when you
watching.
look, I
Stuff
mess
start to
up.
drop.
It's y'all.
Stuff start to drop when you're looking. Yo. It's good.
All right, Bub Bear.
Let me taste some salad, bro.
That's
Let me
enough.
taste some of the salad.
That's enough. That's
Look, I ain't
enough.
even putting nothing in there. She told me that's enough.
That's enough. That's enough. Yeah.
Can I tell you what salad you want?
What?
Them pig feet that's up in the salad is kind of good. Let's give it a little taste.
It is no pig food.
Ew, never mind. Got a little sea. Tastes like seafood.
It tastes like, how does it taste like seafood?
Tastes fishy. So whatever guy can put
It does not taste fishy. He can't be trusted. He cannot be trusted. That's the end. Okay, that's his last episode.
Yeah. No, I don't like them pig feet.
What pig feet?
Pickled pig, pickled egg, whatever she got to put in, I don't like it. It's pink and it look like pig feet. It's clumpy like that.
You just want pig feet, idiot.
It do.
You can't be trusted.
And it's nasty.
It's not.
It is nasty.
I ain't even get no pickle under your hill.
Because you got that pickle, that pink stuff, that's nasty.
This right here, hold on. Right here? Taste it.
No, I just tasted it. It was nasty.
Taste it.
It's nasty. It tastes like something from
No,
the
it's
sea.
not. He ain't got no taste, y'all. He don't even like seafood. No taste.
I'm more of a soul food type of person. The next channel that I'm gonna be on, we have some fried chicken, macaroni, cabbage.
No taste.
Cabbage. What else y'all want to see us eat? I like soul food and stuff like that. And the and she gonna cook it.
No.
And she gonna cook it. Cause I don't eat fried foods from nowhere, but if that's home cooked fried foods. Like if it's at home, you cook it from the heart. You know, out of your family, your friends, somebody that's gonna cook it for you. When I come to town, she should be nice enough to cook for me. Hey, that's something. Your friend don't even cook for you when you come to town. All right.
I don't never cook for him.
That's your first?
He be saying, yeah, you'll make me some cabbage. No.
That's a shame, ain't it? Supposed to welcome me in.
You'll make me some of this? No.
Supposed to welcome me in with a whole open
You'll
arm.
make me this?
She don't.
No. Y'all get some of that.
Can I have something to eat?
No.
Don't want to cook with brother, nothing. You just dropping juices everywhere. It's cold. It's kind of cold up in here. Stop looking like Jimmy and you. But anyways, yeah, don't cook for me. Don't like. I do everything myself when I go over there. You know, when you come from out of town, you're supposed to have your friend do all kinds of stuff for you. She tell me to go walk her dog. Go walk boss.
He better go walk boss. He's boss uncle. We're not playing that.
Go walk boss for me. She got. Yeah, I got a trick for her though. I got a trick.
He's my best friend. He need to go walk boss. Boss missed him. Y'all, I lost boss.
Oh my God.
Y'all, I thought it was the end of my channel, y'all. Like, I thought I was like, I'm never gonna record again. My dog is gone. Like,
I'm supposed to came to Miami on Friday. I came Thursday instead because I'm sitting on the toilet. She called me, Curtis, boss went missing. I said, all right, let me get up and go ahead and come on down there and help you find boss. But the good thing, they found him before I got there. But still, boss was gone for a whole day, 8 hours, roaming around the city. Roaming around the whole city. But they found him, boss was safe. He might have been a little tired, he was scared, but they found him. I was glad they found him. She went around, put up the lost dog signs everywhere.
Much flyers up, y'all. I was a sad, oh my God. I was like, somebody done put a leash on my dog, took him and renamed him.
I was so mad.
Y'all.
She was being negative. So somebody done renamed my dog and somebody got him and all. I said, boss isn't doing nothing but slipping around everywhere around the city. That's all he doing, slipping around everywhere. So, but she found him. He happy to be home. He was jumping all over him, crying. He was doing crying when you got Uber. He was telling her, cussing her out.
He was cussing me out, y'all.
Boss was letting her cussing her out. He went missing for the whole day. I said, boss went around the whole Miramar Beach, Miramar, Florida, everywhere.
I was so sad, y'all. Like, I was a hurt puppy. I was a lost puppy. Like, I was like, oh my God.
She kept on saying, oh, it's been so long. It's been so long.
Yeah,
She was panicking. She was. I said, let me go on this road.
I was really panicking. That's my baby. Like, y'all know Boss is really my baby, y'all, for real. Like, I know y'all don't get to see him like that, but Boss is really, really my baby. Like,
yeah, that's
and he was gone. Because what I did, y'all, like, I took him out to the bathroom, and I thought I brought him back in, but apparently I locked him out. And I went to sleep when I got off work that next morning.
And it had to be like, what, 9 in the morning?
It was like 9 in the morning. He was gone. I woke up at like 2 something. I went into the living room to go look for him. He was nowhere to be found.
She was like, boss?
And I started losing my mind from that point on and started crying.
All day, a whole work shift, 8-9 hours. Boss. It was longer than that, wasn't it? Because 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I ain't find him till like 6 something.
Yeah, it was like at least 12-hour shift he was gone.
He was missed from 9 to 6.
Yeah, so, yeah, basically. Boss had did a whole work shift, was gone.
Like, y'all, I was like, oh my God.
And he was found in another neighborhood across the whole highway. So Boss had to go.
Across the whole highway?
He had to go across the highway, walk across the highway, in somebody's yard, just standing there looking lost.
Talking about, y'all, I like lost my mind. I put up so many signs, y'all. I spent $50-something on signs. Like,
well, good thing you found, right? Because I know you would have been happy for this whole weekend that I supposed to come. We wouldn't have did nothing. We would have been.
Yeah, we've been looking for Boss all weekend.
Looking for Boss all weekend. She would have been crying, panicking still.
But luckily, that was not the case. We went out, we turned up, we had a good time. Y'all, I was fine, y'all.
Now, let me tell y'all about what last night? Night before last, Friday night when we went out.
Well, we went to the Urban.
The Urban?
We went to the Urban
in
Overtown, y'all. Oh my God, y'all.
When I tell you we had a good time,
We had some.
I had how many drinks I had?
I don't know.
I had drinks. We
When I was in, we did like, yeah, a DJ.
I was stuck. We stuck in traffic on what, 95?
Y'all, we were stuck in traffic.
We stuck in traffic for about 30 minutes. I'm dancing and stuff.
Like, we were there for like an hour.
Really? It seemed like it was 30 minutes. How fast
No.
was it? Because I was just sitting on, I was drunk, dancing and everything outside of the car. And I said,
We got up in the back seat, talking to his Instagram followers, something. I love all y'all. All y'all can dress. I don't care. All y'all can dress. I love all y'all, to be honest. And I'm thinking like,
shut up.
shut up.
I was drunk. I don't never talk to my
Because they
customer.
mad at me because I'm
happy.
Because I'm happy. They mad at me because I'm happy. But all y'all can dress. We like, I gotta pee like a Russian race horse on a some sort of derby, y'all. Like, y'all. I had to pee so bad. I got into my back seat and peed in the cup. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I peed in a cup, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna play with y'all. But then everybody else in the car peed on the side of I-95.
Now I got no cup inside the car.
They peed on I-95. We pulled over on the side of the road on I-95 because the traffic was so backed up. I think somebody had got hit, y'all, or shot or something. But I-95 was backed up so bad that we was really able to pull the car over and go use the bathroom in the bushes.
We had a good night though. We had a good night. That Friday night when I got here, we had a really good time. I'm glad I came. Had a good time. Last night we had a little good time too. We hung out a little bit. And then tonight we went to the beach, had a good day. I go back home when we get done making this video. So I'll see y'all next time. The next time I do come, she gonna have some barbecue chicken and macaroni and cheese, cabbage. Oh my god, that was some peach cobbler.
Who making that?
You is?
I'm not making none of that.
Cheers.
People think I'm making that.
Cheers.
No, we is not back home. I'm not making that. I'm not making that. Okay?
What you said we were on this video? He ain't getting on my salad. Guess what? I got some of that salad.
I bet. Okay. I bet y'all I'm not making that.
He ain't getting on my salad.
I'm not making none of that soul food, y'all. Call my mama. No.
I'm getting some of that. So be tuned for the next channel, y'all. We're gonna have some soul food. It's gonna be so good. And the cat can cook now. That's one thing. One thing about it, she can cook though.
Don't tell them that. Listen, y'all.
She can cook.
No. Since
can
I've been
cook.
doing this channel, I have not cooked at all.
Right, she haven't cooked, but she can cook. When she cooks,
Y'all
she
relax.
be sprinkling all the seasonings on there, be good.
He's
She
lying.
can cook.
Don't listen to him.
And she's gonna cook next time I come.
No,
Love
I'm not.
y'all.
I bet y'all I'm not. How much y'all want to bet? We finna go right to Sunday's Eatery and he finna get something out of the cafeteria. And I'm not finna get him nothing.
I get some of the
I'm not
cafeteria.
making
That's fine.
nothing
But
for
she gonna
him.
cook as well.
He'll get toast strudel out of the what's the thing called? The Pop-Tart maker. What's that called?
Toaster.
He'll get something out of the toaster before I make him anything, y'all.
Ain't that sad for your friend? Ain't that sad?
I'm not cooking for him.
When have you cooked for me?
Never. So I never cook for him, and he never will get cooked for.
She's cooked,
So why
not
does
for
he,
me.
So
Look.
why does he think that I'm gonna cook for him now?
She
Why
would
does he-
cook.
Why do you
Look,
think that?
We used to be neighbors. She would cook.
Why do you
And I said,
think-
"Oh, you cooking for me? You cooking for
I
me?"
said,
She like,
no.
This is for me.
Yeah, this is for me. If I'm making something, it's for me. It's not for you. It's for me.
It should be for us. If you got company, that's the polite way.
No.
Because if I was
He was
cooking, she
never
could.
company. He'll just show up and think, oh, you made it for me. No, I didn't. I made me something to eat because I was hungry.
That's a shame. But this time it's different because I'm in town. I'm coming to town. You know I'm coming to town.
I knew you came to town for the spring breakers. No. He left my house to go be with a chick. Let's not play. He left my house in the middle of the night. Yeah, I'm finna go be with old girl. Okay. Bye. I was passed out in my bed.
Listen, every time I talk to the kid when she sleep, she don't remember nothing. What she say? I said, the kid, I called you last night. You called me last night? I said, yeah. What I said? So the kid, you woke? That's what she was saying.
I don't remember none of the phone calls. I don't listen like him. He be calling me all the time. I don't remember none of that. I don't remember none of the missed calls. I don't remember answering the phone because he said I be answering the phone. I don't remember none of that.
I don't remember none of that. No, you didn't. I said, yes, I did. I called you last night. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. You mumbled the whole time.
Why does he even call me and talk? I think he literally be talking to me while I'm asleep. Like, why are you even talking to me while I'm asleep? I don't know what you're talking about. Like, really? So, that's him. You the fool.
You ain't no fool.
Yes, you are. You the fool.
I call and I don't be talking to you. I'll be asking you, but asking questions. I'll be like,
what? Why would you know I'm passed out?
Because I be feeling like you gonna wake up or you gonna wake. You like, call me when you get out.
Okay, I never wake up. So why would you feel like I'm gonna wake up now?
She tells me to call. She's like, I'll call you. I said, call me when you wake up. She went, just call me when you get off. I'm like, all right. Call her when I get off. You told me to call you, so I called you. You told me to call you, so I called you.
Okay, but when you notice I answer the phone and know I'm not awake, you still sit there and hold a full-blown conversation with me, knowing I'm passed out.
Full-blown conversation with her.
He's talking to himself, y'all. Right? Right. Am I not wrong? Like, am I right? Like, he be talking to himself.
I don't want to hear it. I do not want to hear it at all. I'm done with my pizza. This was good.
Yeah, I got 3 slices left, y'all.
Me too.
That's gonna be my midnight snack, y'all. This is like really the end of my salad. I ate it really good. It's really good, y'all.
Yeah, the
you want some more?
good.
No, you can't have no more.
I would have got some more if I went to.
No, you would not have got no more.
But I don't want no more. It's alright. I don't want no more. You can have it.
I know I can have it because mama, it's my salad.
What you say, mama?
This is my best friend, y'all. Like, he's my best friend.
No, I'm not. But she said to me every time I say something, "Mikhail, you remember that?" No, I don't remember that. Feel me? Mikhail, can you? I ain't doing that. I said, Lord, sure gonna bless me. No, he ain't. Lord ain't gonna never forget you. Guess he already done forgot. She be making me mad with that. Cause he already done forgot about you. They ain't never gonna do nothing you said. I said, boy, I tell you.
He's lying, y'all. I am an angel.
Well, gay friend.
Shut up. Y'all do not listen to Curtis.
Listen to everything I say, because I tell the truth all the time.
He's lying. He's lying. It don't make no sense to lie, y'all. That's not God's way.
Oh, don't even start that. Don't even start that. That's not God's way. Yeah, okay. All right, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Show them the.
Nah, don't even say nothing else to them.
Shut up. The rest of that. I don't say you eat them whole garlic like that. Whole big clump. I ain't even see no mushrooms on. I told her to put mushrooms on it. Oh, I see the mushrooms. Let me give it how to put it.
I ain't get no garlic on mine. I ain't get no garlic on the salad. It's just cucumbers, mushrooms.
I can eat jalapenos plain. I love jalapenos.
Me too, y'all. Y'all, this was real good.
It was good. I'm glad I had to stop by mine before I went back home.
Stop!
I had to stop by my house before I went back home. I had to.
Anyways, you guys. What did you do to the camera? Did it move?
I didn't touch the camera. Look where your box at. Yeah.
I still didn't touch it.
Yeah, your box did.
Anyways, you guys. Woo. Now I got a last little sip of that. Don't drink all my ice. Okay, that's enough.
I'm kind of sleepy.
Oh no, you gotta go back to Tallahassee.
I'm going back. Don't worry, I'm going back.
Okay, you guys. That is it for today's video. We had mods today. It was delicious as always. If you have not, make sure you go to your local mods. And if you don't have a local one, find one, honey, okay? Period. Okay, it's $8 for a whole pizza.
Yeah, it is.
$8 for a whole pizza.
Look at it's 11-inch pizza.
Anything, yeah, 11-inch
11
pizza.
inch, yeah, it's
nope,
good.
get whatever you want upon it. Period. Okay, period.
It's like a badge. It's like a badge with a MOD on it. A badge. That's what it looks like, a police badge. So look for the police badge with the MOD in it. That's how you know that it's mods.
Well, just look on your local Google and find it, or Siri, okay, or find it, or Alexa, or whoever you talk to, okay.
But make sure
you go to mods.
You go to mods.
Make sure you go to mods pizza, y'all. Okay, it was delicious. Okay, I love you guys so much. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Welcome everybody that's new. All my day ones, you guys. Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up.
Y'all know what's up.
Today we were featuring my best friend Curtis, you guys. Curtis, I love him so much. He's my best
Everybody
friend.
love me. They love me for one thing. Everybody love me. You love me. She hate me. She hate me but love me.
Anyways, you guys, I'm signing out, you guys. If you what's the outro? Okay. Anyways, you guys, I'm gone. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye. Bye.
Peace. Bye. Thanks. Nice meeting y'all.